How does the Boss Revolution Money app work? In this video, we will teach you how to use Boss Revolution Money so you can send money online from your cell phone to your family and friends. In addition, Boss Revolution Money also offers different services such as cell phone recharges, cheap international calls, money loans, bank transfers or delivery of the money sent to the recipient's door. We will show you this and much more below. If by watching all this video, you feel that we have helped you, please support this video with a like. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel, where every week we teach you how to send money with mobile applications. Is it safe to use Boss Revolution Money? This money transfer company is totally safe. You can associate your credit card to make transfers without worries. We have used it several times, and we have verified that it is a reliable company. Also, as you can see on the screen, the Boss Revolution Money website is well developed and very well detailed. Download the Boss Revolution Money app on your cell phone, access the mobile application store on your cell phone. Whether you have Android or iPhone, the application is available for various operating systems. Here in the search engine, you must type Boss Revolution Money. These are the results, and the correct application is this one. You must install and open the mobile application. It is already opening. This is the official presentation of Boss Revolution Money. The first thing you should do is register in the application with your cell phone number and all the necessary data. Once you have your account created, when you open the application, the first thing that will appear is the Activities tab, but what we really want is to see everything we can do with Boss Revolution Money, so we click on this arrow button. This is the Services section. I will show you step by step everything we can do in this section. Up here on the left, we have the option to send money, and then here on the right, we can see the option of cell phone recharges. That is, you can recharge the cell phone number of another person while in another country. Here you can see the exchange rates that the company handles depending on the country where you want to send the money. If you want to see more countries, click on this option. Below we have the section of other services. The first is to make international calls at low prices. It is a good option to be in permanent contact with our loved ones. Then, the second option is the news, radio, and other things. It is to be informed of what is happening in the world. The third option is to locate a Boss Revolution Money branch that is close to us. We have to activate our cell phone location and then click on this option to see all available nearby branches. The last option is a loan service. They will qualify you, and according to that you can withdraw a loan. Which countries can you send money to with Boss Revolution? To find out the available countries, click on this option and you will see an extensive list of available countries. Among them are the Dominican Republic, Colombia, Mexico, and many other countries. Next, we will teach you how to recharge cell phones and how to send money easily. Subscribe to this channel, it's free. Thanks a lot. How to make mobile recharges. We continue in the Services section, and to make cell phone recharges, we click on this option. All our cell phone contacts appear there, and here we have to select the beneficiary of the recharge. After selecting the contact this appears. We have to select which telephone company the number to which we will recharge belongs to. The company appears clear by default, but to see more options, we click on this option, and you will get a list like the one you can see on this screen. Depending whatever country it is, you will get more or fewer companies. For the Dominican Republic, these three options appear. In this sector, you can see the recharge packages that you can buy. You must read carefully and select the most suitable for you. Down here is my card with which I will make payments. In this section you must associate yours with complete peace of mind. This application is safe, and your money will always be protected. I'll select this smaller package and click this button. Then we have to confirm the transaction, and the recharge will be successful. Now you will learn how to send money with Boss Revolution Money. Again we go to the Services tab. Now we click on Send Money. A list will open with all the countries available to send money. We will send money to the Dominican Republic. Attention! There are certain countries to which you can send dollars or also your local currency. This is the case of the Dominican Republic, so we have to properly select the currency in which we want the money to arrive. I will first select the local currency, DOP, to give that example. This section opens. As you can see, we will send money to the Dominican Republic. The maximum amount to send is $2,999. The cost for this transaction would be $0.99. Here we write the amount of the shipment in dollars, for example $500. Here the total amount that the recipient will receive in their local currency appears, which would be 28,500 Dominican pesos. Boss Revolution Money makes the currency exchange and already gives us the complete information. Attention, if you want the money to arrive in dollars, you must go back until you reach the search engine again. Here write Dominican Republic again, but now you must select the dollars option. Click on this option. Here we have to write the amount of money we want to send. The cost of sending up to $250 would also be $0.99, but if we write that we want to send $500, the cost of shipping would be $4.99. As you can see, when you want to send in Dominican pesos, the commission rate remains at $0.99, but if you want to send in dollars, the exchange rate goes up if you send more than $250. With this we can realize that in order to save money you must send in the local currency of the other country, as long as it is possible in the application. Okay, now that we know we can save money by sending in local currency, I'll go for that option. We go back in the search engine, but this time I click on this option. We are again in the section of sending money. Now I will write $20 since that is the amount I want to send. We click next. In this section we must select the method of delivery of the money. Basically we have three options, and the first refers to withdrawing money in person, that is, going to a physical branch to withdraw the money. The second option is home delivery. And the third option, a bank deposit. We chose the first method, the cash withdrawal. This would be for the other person to withdraw the money from a Boss Revolution Money branch. This new window opens, where different entities appear from where the money can be withdrawn. Here you must select one of them, the most comfortable for the beneficiary. This you can talk to him to coordinate everything. We select one of the entities and automatically go to the other window, where our cell phone contact list opens. Here we have to select the beneficiary of the payment. Once the contact is selected, we go to the next window where we have to fill in the entire beneficiary's personal data. Here is the name of the other person, here the last name, here the cell phone number that we have already selected from our contact list, here the email. We scroll down. And here we have the field to enter your home address, the state, the city, and the zip code of the area in which our recipient lives. Once all the fields are filled in, we click next, we confirm the transaction, and the money will be sent to the other person. Keep in mind that in order to make the payment, you must associate your debit or credit card, but remember that it is a totally reliable and safe application. When the money reaches its destination, the other person will receive an alert message indicating that they have already received the money successfully. Attention, now I want to show you the other money options available in Boss Revolution Money. This second option is home delivery. When selecting this, we have to choose the company we want to deliver our money to the recipient, in this case Banco Union or Carib Express. And the third option we have is to make a bank deposit. In this window, the first thing we have to select is the bank where the account is available to the person who will receive our money. We click here to open the list. All these banks are available. Obviously this list will change depending on the country where you will send the money and according to the banks available in that country. We select the bank, and now we have to select the type of account that the beneficiary has, that we have to consult the other person, and then mark here if they have a checking account or a savings account. Then here we have to enter the bank account number, and here we repeat the bank account number. We click next, review all the data, confirm the payment, and that's it. The money will be sent successfully. It should be noted that bank deposits take between 3 to 5 business days, that is, they are not made instantly, so it may take time for them to reach their destination. What did you think of this video? If you feel that we have helped you, please support this video with a like. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel, where every week we teach you how to send money with mobile applications. See you in the next video.